If you hear a loud popping or rumbling sound coming from your basement, your water heater is literally screaming for help. Over time, minerals and sediment from your city water settle at the bottom of the tank, creating a thick layer of sludge that traps heat. This trapped heat causes steam bubbles to explode through the sediment, which makes those scary noises and slowly cracks the glass lining of your tank. If you don't act now, that sediment will eventually corrode the heating element, leading to a massive leak and a $2,000 replacement bill. You can save your appliance by performing a simple tank flush once a year to drain out all the sand and mineral buildup. Simply attach a garden hose to the drain valve at the bottom. Turn off the power or gas and let the water run until it comes out crystal clear. Your homework today is to check the age of your water heater on the manufacturer's sticker and schedule a flush before the winter hits.